Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk about compression and I want to show you a few different combinations of compressors that I use all the time on vocals. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a like, leave a comment with suggestions, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. Let's get into the video. First I want to play with the track. It's the same track that I've been working in the past few videos. It's called Warning, the artist is Modest. I'm gonna play you just a tiny bit of it.
This ain't not no threat, it's a warning. Boy, you gon' regret if you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, boy, you.
As a short recap, what we did on the track. We did the pitch correction, we did reverbs, delays, just the basic stuff. We did the cleaning, we removed the noise. As you can see, we took care of the breaths. So we have a pretty decent start. The next step is to add some slight compression to the vocals so we can make them sound more upfront. And I want to show you two of my favorite compression chains when it comes to vocals. The first one is CLA-76 into a CLA-2A. The second one is RCompressor into RVox, and I'm gonna show you how I usually set up both of those chains. First thing when setting up the CLA76 is to turn off the analog noise. Nobody wants noise in the final recording. We have two revisions, we have the blue and the black key. For my ears the blue sounds more bright, so that's what I'm gonna use most of the time when it comes to rap vocal, when I need the vocals to be very upfront. Then we have the ratio. I usually stick with a 4:1 ratio, slow attack, fast release. Then I'm gonna play with the input and output until I have just a few dB of gain reduction.
Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't.
After I've set up the input and output, which is basically like a threshold, and that determines the amount of gain reduction that we'll have, I want to play with the attack. I start with the attack at the slowest position, which is 1. Then I'm gonna shorten the attack and see how that sounds.
If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang.
I like how the attack sounds in the middle position. When you have a shorter attack time, the gain reduction will increase because it's catching more of the transients, so you have to back down on the input. Let's do that.
If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get.
Sometimes I like to use the CLA76 as an insert like I did here, but sometimes I like to use it as a parallel compressor, and that's why I have a vocal crush. That's CLA76. With that vocal crush I'm gonna show you the settings real quick. As you can see, I'm pushing the input really hard. I have the all buttons in. That's a really crazy ratio, fast release, slow attack.
Gang, you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you.
And with the parallel CLA76, you can really bring the attack of the vocals really up front. So you can have a combination between a 76 bluey and a 76 black. After a CLA76, I like using the CLA-2A. This compressor is easier to set up because we only have the peak reduction. I'm aiming again just a few dB of gain reduction. I already have the 76, the bluey before it. That's doing 3 or 4 dB of gain reduction. I have the parallel chain, and then I have the CLA-2A.
If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack, or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that.
So this is the first combination of compressors that I use, CLA-76 CLA-2A. The next one that I want to show you is the RCompressor and the RVox. Pretty fast attack and a pretty slow release on the RCompressor. I like how that sounds, and we're gonna bring the threshold until we have between 3 and 6 dB of gain reduction.
Hang, stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang.
Then I like adding the RVox. Again, a really easy to use compressor, just one slider.
If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang.
Now let's play the first combination, the 76 and the 2A.
If you ain't gang, then you can't hang.
Now the RVox and the RCompressor.
If you ain't gang, then you can't hang.
As you can hear, we have different characters. Both combinations work really well with rap vocals. Sometimes what I like to do when using the RCompressor and the RVox, sending everything to a vocal bus like I have here. As you can see, the vocals are sent to that bus. And I also like sending the vocal crush, so this compressor that's in parallel to the vocal bus. And I like compressing everything together with a CLA-2A.
Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang, then you can't hang. Stop talking that smack or you gon' get banged. If you ain't gang.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification button, drop a like, leave a comment, suggestions, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. See you guys next time. Cheers.